Hey, hey, hey guys, what is going on? I hope y'all are having an amazing Friday. It's Crystal from Crystal's Crazy. Oh, whoops, wait, wrong channel. That's right. Ha ha ha, I've taken over MV95 PSI's channel now. Look out. Y'all knew you were stuck with me anyway. Well, on a more serious note, why am I here? Because that right up there. Y'all are already knowing why I am here. As you guys have noticed, Chris and I have taken a little time off lately. Much needed. And we wanted to let you guys know we have not forgotten about you. Chris is still flying. Everything is amazing. So, since it's very close to the holiday time, we wanted to let you guys know we're going to be back the beginning of the year, stronger than ever. You know, we always are. But we wanted to wish you guys all a very happy holiday, a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever it is you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, Happy Friday. May all your Fridays be amazing. But we wanted to share our love with you and let you guys know we're still here. I know I've been taking off a few wacky Wednesdays as well, but hang tight. Come the beginning of 2020, the Drone Network is coming back stronger than ever. Every Friday night, back on track. Hang tight with us, guys. You know, life happens. I've told you all. It's happened to every single one of us. And that's what the Drone Network's all about. It's all about the family. So, hang tight. And remember, until next time, we love y'all. And we'll catch you guys 2020.